This is the procedure for replacing the screen housing. So you'll clip this zip tie, pull it out if you can, unplug the power cable at the top. Now you'll want to take note of the tension on these wires. This one you want it to be square with the screen. Write down which colors go on which pin. So there's two wires to pull here, the yellow and green, and then this red and black one. But this corner red one and this corner black one should stay. So then you clip the zip tie here. This camera cable has two tabs on the side you got to lift up. Take a small screwdriver, hopefully smaller than this one, and lift up both sides. And it should come right out. You'll take a 2.5mm wrench, unscrew this set screw on front of the ball joint, almost all the way out. And unscrew this, and it should come off. Then you're going to want to take the 4 screws out. This zip tie holder has a little corner chamfer, and that goes towards the inside of the screen. It's to miss this radius here. After you've gotten the screws out, take the screen out of the housing. It can be difficult sometimes. This time it's not, but if it's hard to get out. I've had some luck squeezing this, but you just gotta work at it till it comes out. So once you get your new housing, you're just gonna put it back in, make sure this doesn't catch. Make sure it goes in properly. I tend to have to push it towards this corner as I'm putting it in. Make sure it's flat and even all around. And I'll put this zip tie holder back on, put all 4 screws in. The screw for the zip tie holder is a little longer than the other 3. So then you'll take your screen and put the set screw back in. Mine fell out. So you'll screw the set screw in all the way. Till it bottoms out, then you'll back it off maybe half a turn to a turn and tighten this. Then you can plug your power cable in. There's 2 slots. It's usually on the one closest to the screen. Make sure it's in nice. And then, look at your notes and put these back. Basically, this red one is right next to this red one. This yellow one goes above the red one, and then the green one goes on the 5th pin over. So there should be 3 exposed pins between them. Then the camera cable, do the reverse, put it in with the chips facing this way. Then you got to push down both sides of the tab again. Rock it in, make sure it's seated. Then you will take a zip tie, feed it through the hole. Make sure the wires are tucked in to this groove, and get your tensions right. This one should have a bit of tension. Tuck these wires in, then you can tighten it down, snip, and then you'll put it also a zip tie through here, tighten it, and you should be good to go.